Hello, welcome everybody to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the beautiful sunset view from the bank of river Brahmaputra while on the way to Chandrapur in Dumpara. It is one of the beautiful places near Guwahati city. When it get evening, in the evening, yeah, people from Guwahati city they come to this place to spend some moments and take the photos here, especially in the month of October, September, October, November. This beautiful sunset is seen here. Now we are going to the bank of river Brahmaputra. See, today we got late and we reached very late, but it was a still good time to spend time here. And it was almost getting dark. So see the sunsets. I'm showing you, and it is recorded in my dashboard camera or in my car. See, so many people have gathered here, and some people have already gone back to their own places, and some people are still enjoying their time. So, to get relief from the heat of the city, we have come here to spend few minutes while on the way to Chandrapur along with my sister and my daughter. Today we have come to see this place. See, I'm going to get down and now I have taken the video from my mobile vertically. See the sunsets on the bank of river Brahmaputra. See, there is very mesmerizing view from here, and water also, river Brahmaputra water got little dry, but still it is good to see the place in Dumpara. Yes, see the reflection, the color of the sky, good color, good view from here. Yes, hardly it takes half an hour from Guwahati city to reach here from Narangi. Yes, see the view. Yes, very nice, very nice. Towards trees, this Guwahati, that side. Yes, so I'm taking the photo. So nice to see. Yes, from different angles, photos are taken from the mobile. See, very beautiful, and you can see the people still there spending time on the bank of the Brahmaputra. And some people they have gone to the sand, the river. Okay, goodbye to all of you. All those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe my channel and share, like, and comment my videos. And please, next time again you will get chance to see the videos more